Okay, let's start this somewhere. It is 1927, 14 August 2022. Okay. 1927, and let's see. Pick that out, flip that over, right? Hit play, right? Don't hit record. Which one's play? That's play. Okay. Alright, so now here is this is a NEC RMS-2100R, right? So open with that. Turn the volume down on this. There, just a low roar, how about? So here's the front of it, right? Let's do it with the keyboard, maybe. Easier on me. So there's that end, right? Headphone, your beat cut, like that. Another better picture of your speakers, and like that. Okay. That end, nothing to see. And here's the back. Here's the, it's anyway, 100 volt, 12 volts. Okay. There's the bottom, there's the top. I want to point out that this was put together incorrectly. Screws, comes open like that. Inside, all right. Take a picture of this side, picture of that side, get a flash picture, another flash picture, take a picture upside down over your head, just trying to get that, okay? And then take a picture of the tape deck, and the whole issue with this is that right there, okay? This. Here's a flash picture. Again, just, there it is, okay? And then another picture, just trying to get in close, and here getting even closer. And here is a different view, right? So, and a view from that side, right? So it's definitely dirty, but the tire is good, okay? And this side is the correct side for the handle to go in, and this is the incorrect way. That tab right there, that tab, has to go down in this hole. That's why it was popped up. Okay? You're just taking a picture of the top, taking a picture of that side, whole picture, okay. And then you have to remove the radio, which is one screw here and 5 screws, I think. Okay, and then here's just another picture just because I could. By the way, this does have a good orange gear, so there is a good orange gear. Unplug that, take a picture. I took a picture because that's where the FM antenna wire goes, the white wire. Okay. The underside of the tape deck, alright, there it is. And then here's, this secondary belt right here, you can take it off, but that's your auto stop mechanism, which does work on this tape deck. Takes a flat belt, I didn't replace it, it was still good. Another view, just because. Top view, just in case, right? Because there's a little spring stuff here, and anyway. And another view, and then remove the thing that had the black tar on it. There it is. Flywheel, and there's that piece. I'm just showing how it orients when you put it back in, so it goes with the open side that way. Right. There's the new piece, and that. And here it is installed with new rubber and everything cleaned. Right, so here I'm just showing again that it's got a, hard to see, but this has been cleaned, that tire has been cleaned, that's a new rubber. And just an overview picture, okay. And then this is all the stuff I use. I use deoxit fader because I can't find deoxit gold number 5. I use this stuff, I still have a can left of that. This is for cleaning. This is for air, okay, and then a little jar of the denatured alcohol, right? And then here we're adjusting the speed, right? So with a flat tip screwdriver, right? Yeah, it's a Senko. And belts, and oh, that's what I wanted to point out. Let me go back if I race back to my pictures. Find a particular one. Oh. Well, okay, let me go back inside. I want to point out, this is NEC on the outside, right? Where's that picture? Okay. NEC on the outside. Well, okay, here. That says sharp to me. This is a sharp on the inside. Okay. Where is it? Oh, this is the picture, yeah. See? Hidden from view, sharp. Okay. Alright, so anyway, this is a sharp tape deck because it takes that kind of idler tire off the capstan. Okay, so again, it's been cleaned, and now let me just. I have been playing. Let me white out this thing. I made a video earlier. I probably won't upload this until whenever because I'm tired. Okay, so let me just drop the camera down and let you see it. Okay, so that's just been playing all this time, is this right here. So if you hit this on here, wait, let me turn the light on. Okay, hit that, and then you hit that there. Okay, so here. Well, it zips back to the song that was just played, or you can do it the other way. You can go that way. And come on, any day now. There we go. So that works. It gets loud. It's got a volume, balanced tone. It's got a mic mixing thing over here, and this is your tape selector. I don't know, so it's normal chrome and metal tape. This blue tape is on here because I haven't had a chance to glue this trim on because it simply became unglued and fell off. Right? And I haven't even had a chance to try this on batteries yet, but there it is working. The radio is not that great on this, but there it is, the radio. Radio does work, but it's not. I didn't buy this for the radio. I bought it to play tapes, cassettes, and because this has music search. So there's the radio, and you can put it on.
Il centro del blocco settimo ponce. 5,000.
AM works. FM is kind of iffy, but you really got to pull the antenna out. This does have a complete antenna, although it's got a bend in it here, so it's really hard to get the sections out. Probably need to replace it to get a, it's just darn difficult. I'm not going to sit here and try and pull this thing out, but looks like that. It's a unique model because of the brand name, model number, but so can we see that? Wait, where am I in this thing? Yeah, here's the antenna. You can, it's got the tip, the sections, but the thing is, it's bent right down here. Okay, can you see me? Yeah, it's bent right there. So anyway, but the tape player works. That's my ultimate goal with any of these machines, is to play the cassette. Right? So there it is. It's finished. I haven't get around to putting batteries in and trying on batteries, but I'll get to that another day. Meanwhile, I got to go to work, or tomorrow that is. Right? So let me take it off here and okay, I'll just give you a close view real quick. Make it 10 minutes, and so once again, there it is, like that. Here and that's YouTube music, so anyway, like that there, and then this is line in right here, so radio, then line in, okay? And you've got your, in the back you've got your full complement of anyway, line in, line out, and then this is your phono jack right there. Okay, so there it is. I'll get around to this someday. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Good night. Bye-bye. Stop.